A new controversy is brewing in the border battle right now. One state law professor says the new illegal immigration law not only creates an opportunity for racial profiling, there are actually a few words allowing it. Tonight, ABC 15's Christina Boomer gets some answers from one of the people who wrote that bill.
SB1070 expressly authorizes racial profiling.
Gabriel Jackson Chin is a law professor at the University of Arizona. He says these 12 words support his legal interpretation. The document states that public officials may not solely consider race, color, or national origin. But then it reads, except to the extent permitted by the United States or Arizona Constitution.
There are decisions of both the United States and the Arizona Supreme Court that authorize consideration of apparent Mexican ancestry in the enforcement of immigration law.
He points to an Arizona Supreme Court ruling from 1982 and a United States Supreme Court case from 1975.
It says that law enforcement officers can build probable cause to investigate whether someone's an illegal entrant based on their apparent Mexican ancestry. It's not a debatable legal question.
It is if you're Chris Kobach, one of the bill's authors. He agreed to a 7 p.m. phone interview, but then when I called, he didn't answer. Earlier, he told me that Chin's interpretation is incorrect and that racial profiling is not the intent of writing in this exception. He said it's there for times when race is a consideration.
They're looking for a black man between 20 and 30 years.
The kidnapper was described as a white man.
Such as the description of a suspect.
If you meant to flatly prohibit consideration of race, wouldn't you just have said you can't consider race, color, or national origin, period? Why is there an exception there then?
Now, if that's just a debate over 12 words, you can imagine what the federal judge that's deciding on a possible injunction must be dealing with tonight. We are still waiting for her ruling. Meantime, the law right now is set to take effect this Thursday. Reporting live in Phoenix, Christina Boomer, ABC 15 News.